There's something I've been wanting to try, but I had to wait for an avocado to ripen. I've got one now, I think, that's just about ready. It's a chocolate strawberry smoothie. I got the idea because, well, you've seen these. Strawberries dipped in chocolate. It was strawberry season here just a little while ago. There was a strawberry festival. They would sell those down there. I thought, what about a smoothie? But I want a smoothie that would be keto friendly. So I'm going to make this with avocado in there, as well as some yogurt, full fat yogurt to increase the fat, and then stevia. I think this could be pretty good. So let's make this chocolate strawberry smoothie. Into my blender jar, I'm going to put some Greek yogurt. Really roughly, about, I don't know, half a cup. That looks close enough. I do have 3/4 of a cup, and I can give you the metrics on this. 80 grams of frozen strawberries. These are quartered. And then 1 cup, which I believe is 240 milliliters. You can use either almond milk or coconut milk. I'm going to use cashew milk because I've got it in the refrigerator. So why not? 1 cup. Cashew milk. You could even use whole milk or even half and half in this. I'd even do heavy cream. That would be really high in fat. And then I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. I have some baker's chocolate. It's chocolate chunks that I could put in there. It would work all right. But that's 2 teaspoons. And then, as I said, I've got an avocado here that I think is ripe. So I'm going to cut this open. Yes, it feels soft inside. So I'm going to toss half an avocado in there. And what this is going to do, it's not going to add much as far as flavor, but it'll give me a nice thick smoothie. If you're going to be using fresh strawberries, you can put in 2 or 3 ice cubes. I'm going to put in just 1. I'm using frozen strawberries. Then I want to add 2 packets of stevia. I want this a little on the sweet side. Because I've got it and I want to experiment with it, I'm going to be putting in half a teaspoon of strawberry flavor extract. Half a teaspoon of strawberry extract. Put a cover on that, and that's ready to blend. And I did want to mention that I'm using a regular blender jar for this, the kind with blades rather than my air, A-E-R, my air jar. Okay, turn my blender on. Start at number 1, and then I'm going to start this up and then increase the speed steadily to high. Blend for about 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, it looks like chocolate milk. As I expected, it has a nice, thick, frothy texture to it. Get my straw in there. Now I'm ready to see what this tastes like. I do like the texture of that. It looks like a very thick chocolate milk. Like what we used to call a chocolate frap. Or milkshake made with ice cream. No ice cream in this. I can taste both the strawberry and the chocolate in that. The 2 flavors are really nicely balanced. Neither one overpowers the other. This is really good. It's really thick. Ooh, so excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my chocolate strawberry smoothie. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel.